So here is my AI agent that can talk to customers and so here is my AI agent that can talk to customers. So here is my AI agent that can talk to customers, classify tickets. Don't worry, you will get the role. So this rehearsal is not for the acting job. It's actually for a guest lecture. So after our last session, I updated my LinkedIn profile with AI agent expert. And then I got a call from my college to deliver a guest lecture on multi-AI agents. Oh, great. So now you want me to generate a LinkedIn post on thrilled to be speaking at my alma mater? Or wait, from sleeping in the lecture to taking a guest lecture, I have come a long way kind of a post? No. I want you to make me learn multi-AI agents. Finally. Someone wants to learn instead of just post. Let us understand multi-AI agentic systems using an example. Let's say you are planning a trip to Paris. For this, ChatGPT and other LLMs can provide you with the itinerary, right? However, do you think just the itinerary is enough for you to plan a trip to Paris? What if you first want to understand how the weather is? If the weather is good, then only you want to plan your trip. Second, you want to know what your hotel options are as per your budget. And third, let's say you have some food preference. You like vegetarian food and you want vegetarian food options near the hotel. Now to solve this problem, you can build a multi-AI agent system. So it seems even my vacation has a project manager now. Well, technically I like to call it as autonomous travel experience orchestrator. So now the first AI agent will access the weather app, and if the weather is good, then it will provide information to the second AI agent. The second AI agent can then access a travel booking site and based on your specified budget, shortlist the hotel options. Let's say it shortlists 5 hotel options. So it will first store it in its memory, and then for each hotel options, the next agent will find out the possible vegetarian restaurant within a certain distance using Google Maps. Each agent is accessing an external application and getting the information. And in the end, it will create a complete travel plan. Now this is the job of a proper travel agent. Wow. So I asked one question and suddenly 3 bots started planning my vacation. I wish they were there earlier to plan my wedding as well. If AI agents would plan your wedding, then your barat would get live traffic update and an optimized dance playlist. But please explain how these agents are coordinating so well, like a band. Let us understand how agents collaborate. They can collaborate sequentially, as I described earlier. They can collaborate in a hierarchical manner, where one agent can act like a manager, can delegate tasks to other agents and check their performance. They can also collaborate asynchronously. And whom they ask for a sick leave? Sadly, no sick leaves, no appraisals, not even farewell cakes. Now, let us learn how to create a multi-AI agentic system. Majorly, we need to define agents, define tasks, add tools, and then combine everything. Let us create a multi-AI agentic system for creating content. We have 3 agents: planner, writer, and editor. We will use Crew AI for this. First, define the agents, their roles, their goals, and their backstories. Allow delegation false means they cannot delegate to another agent. If you want a hierarchical structure, then keep allow delegation as true. Then we have to define tasks for the agents where we specify the description and the expected output. We also assigned the agent to the task. Once we are done with tasks, let us now put them all together using Crew AI. Remember, this sequence is important as this will be followed by agents to complete the task. There are many frameworks for creating multi-AI agents. We talked about Crew AI. Autogen and LangGraph are the two other prominent ones. Run the Crew and see how agents coordinate and create content. That's great. So 3 AI agents, 1 framework, 0 HR complaints. Also no coffee budget required. So I started this session as a guy faking confidence, but now I have 3 AI agents and real content to show for a guest lecture. Thanks for doing this. Another human fine-tune for the AI era.